Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. In today's video, I am going to do an unboxing and do a review. This video is sponsored by Duvolle. You guys, before I get into the video, this is a $95 product. And if you use my coupon code, which is Happy Dimples, you will receive 75% off. Literally, you'll be paying $28.50. Yes, $28.50. So let's get into the review. That is my invoice. So this is the Duvolle Radiance Skincare System for everyday use. So this is what it looks like. It has a clear opening so you guys can see what it looks like. It has the brushes and it also has the body skincare system. So let me open up the packaging. And it also comes with the instruction pamphlet, introducing you to your unit, preparing the unit for usage, and also using the unit. So this pamphlet, it just shows you instruction on how to use it and what comes with it. Okay, this is the main body of the skincare system. The main body of the unit. This is about 6.5 inches long. It's very light, not too heavy. And I was trying to open this part up to show you guys how to put batteries in it, but I had a hard time trying to open it. I guess because my grip wasn't strong enough. But what I had to do, I had to get a string to put it through the holes there to get it open. Okay, there's the hole right there, which I had to put a string in it to pull it open. Okay, it snaps off. If your grip is strong enough, you can just pull it off, but mine wasn't. Like I said, I had to place a string over in the hole to pull it open. Now this unit here takes 4 AA batteries. And this is what it looks like on the inside. You will need 4 AA batteries. And the body of it is like a sky blue color and white. I don't know if they have any other colors, but this is the only color that I saw. And this is your on and off switch. And I will go ahead and place batteries in it and show you guys how to, put it in there. So I did go ahead and take that part off. So let's place the batteries over in it. You can use any brand of batteries as long as there are AA batteries. So I got my batteries placed over in the unit, and I will come back and show you guys what it sounds like. So let's begin with each parts of the brushes that goes with this unit. First, we are going to start with the facial cleansing brush. The facial cleansing brush gently removes excess dirt and makeup residue from your skin, and it is great to use prior to exfoliation. Gently move the facial cleansing brush across your face while moving in a circular motion. So this is what the cleansing brush looks like. And I will show you the difference between this brush and the exfoliation brush. The exfoliation brush. The exfoliation brush is made of a very soft bristle, specially designed for tender facial skin. For best result, be sure to wash your face prior to treatment to ensure your skin is free from any residue. Apply brush with your favorite cleanser. Gently remove brush across your face while moving the unit in a circular motion. Apply the brush to your face flat, not at an angle. And it does have wide opening bristles. Pumice Stone for rough skin. Prior to use, immerse your foot in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes. Then wipe dry. Apply pumice on foot and move in circles. During rotation, pumice effectively remove hard cells at elbow or underfoot. The pumice stone attachment should never be used on the face. Lastly, the body brush. The large body brush can be used on the hand and body. Apply soap or cleanser on hand or body, then gently move the brush on your skin in a circular motion. And you also, guys, can use this large brush on your face if you just want to, really clean your face. You can also use this large brush on your face also, besides the body. So this is how you attach the brushes onto your system here. Okay, you guys, just stay tuned, and I am going to do a simple facial wash with the system, so stay tuned. Hello everybody, I'm back. Now I am going to use this Bath and Beauty micellar cleansing water, and I am going to remove the little residue that I may have on my face from my makeup. So I did clean my face prior. Now I'm going to take off oils and dirt that is still up on my skin. So y'all, I got this product from Dollar Tree. Next, I am going to start with the cleansing brush. And I am going to attach it to the system. My cleansing brush. Now I'm going to turn it on and show you guys how it sounds. I am sorry for the noise in the background. I think I might have left my bathroom fan running. So that is how it sounds. It's not that loud. It's just because I had it up closer to the mic on my camera. So it is a soft, sound. It's not loud. So the soap that I am using, I did a review on it. I will list the name of it down below. So if you want the soap, you can also get it off of Amazon. I listed down below. I wet my face first in order for it to suds up. It feels so good. The brush is so soft. So you all know how I love to do facial regimens. I love to take care of my skin. So I'm letting it dry on, and then I'm going to come back a few minutes later to put a little water on my face again in order for it to soak back up, because I still had the soap residue on my skin. I just let it sit there for a little while. So if you look on my previous video about the soap, I'll show you guys, or I talk about how I let it sit on my skin for a few minutes, and then I come back and it will soak back up, and then I will rinse off. You guys, I love to keep up with my skin. You know, a lot of people tells me that I have clear skin, or my skin is glowing. What am I using on my face? It's just that I do just regular facial routines. So I just want to make sure I have that clearer skin. So I'm so glad that Duvolle had reached out to me to do this review, and I am so honored. I am loving this product, you guys, and I will list everything down below how you can order. But don't forget to use my coupon code, which is Happy Dimples, and you will get 70% off. Next, I am using Witch Hazel toner on my face. Can you see how my face is looking after using the brush? It looks so fresh. It looks so fresh and clean, which it is. I mean, it even brightened it up a little. I am loving this spin care system. It really cleans your face, you guys. Just look at my skin. Just look at it. Next, I am going to put a little olive oil to moisturize my skin. Okay, this is the body brush. This is what I want to show you guys before I end this video. Pretend I am in the shower, and I am going to use this body brush on my body. This is my arm, which I am washing my arms up and down. You can also wash in a circular motion. Make sure you get your elbows. And then you're going to go to your other arms. You're going to wash up and down your arms and your elbow. And then you're going to wash up your upper body on down to your legs. And you can also use this in the shower. Next, I am showing you the Pumice Stone, in which I am showing you on my hands. You can use it on the rough part of your hands and your feet. You can also use it on your elbows and your knees. Whatever you may have a rough spot, you can use the Pumice Stone. Now next, this is the exfoliating brush for your face, which I will use in the next 2 weeks, because I try to exfoliate my skin at least 2 weeks to a month. So I will list everything down below. So thank you all so much for watching, and if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. What you waiting on? Please thumbs up this video, comment, share, let everybody know about Happy Dimples. Come back, because you never know what I may have next for you. So if you were interested in the Duvolle products, check out the listing down below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.